In 1 week, this damn car has put enough unsuspected fiberglass slivers in my body than I had in my boat in like 20 years. Well, I can't remember. I did a lot of work on the boat. But, dude, fiberglass everywhere. So there's some damage right here. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to underlip this with some blue masking tape. Just going to give it a nice underlip right here. Want some place for the epoxy to catch. Means this whole thing's fiberglass, and I know I damaged it in my desperate and futile attempts to pry this hood open. I thought it might be fun to jiggle with this thing, and because the hood didn't close or open very good at all, right? So, anyways, damage has occurred. So, giving this a nice underlip. We're going to preserve what chunks are in there. We're just going to lay in a little bit of epoxy, and that'll settle these fibers down. I have already vacuumed. Yeah. I'm sick of the fibers and the invisible slivers. Stupid car. Ugh. It's funny, you never think in your whole life you're going to need tweezers. Until right about now. Look, hey, there's a pair right there. This is me a little gotta fix the car kit. So we're gonna put a little bit of this right here. Then we're gonna take this one. We're going to put it over there because, lo and behold, yeah, there's a crack on the hood over there too. Okay. All right, so I think I can do it. I can do it with my tweezers that I'm about to lift. I can point this in the right direction. I just want to reintroduce some epoxy, and I want to wet down this. But I don't want to put too much because then I'm just going to have to sand it. But I do want this to be, I want it to be right next to it. Anyways, that's why I need 2 hands. I got an extra hand right here. Hey buddy, hold the camera. Okay. Okay, zoom it in. Let's see what we got. All right. Just gonna put try to put a couple drops in here. I think I need to squeeze these things, actually. There we go. Much easier tool to work with. Okay, just gonna put a little bit of this stuff. Feed it right on in here. Whatever my little, stale pan for locking myself out of the engine compartment. Okay, so I could feel the top of the good edge on both sides. I'm just gonna join this up here. Kind of dress it along this tape. Yeah, all right. Okay, that's perfect. Now let's go over here. My trusty 60-year-old tripod. Yeah, we're looking. Oh, that's about perfect. How'd you know? So we're looking right there, and it's upside down, meaning to me, I'm putting this fiberglass cloth on there, and it's upside down. So I don't know. That's not so good because it might try to slide away. So what I'm going to try to do to keep it from sliding away is I'm going to get it as dry as possible. So just keep on dripping fabric, and when it stops dripping, it'll be dry enough. And we'll give that a try. It's still going to be really slippery, so it's kind of risky putting it on in this position. But I've got a good backdrop of stuff for it to fall into. Drip. All right, is it dry enough? All right, we're about to put this patch on a 68 Corvette. And you know, the patch was a lot skinnier than this. So the patch has changed, and it was smaller. Anyways, I'm trying to just lay it on right here. And we're going to get it. Just put it right there. And then okay, so I've admitted defeat. The fiberglass is too tough, but we wetted it and we put it right on the crack. And so once it cures, I'm just going to slice it off and trim it and blend it right in, and you'll never even see it. Well, I just came along an hour later and went ahead and wrapped it around. So I didn't have to cut it after all. It's very sticky now. It's a cool day. Epoxy taking forever, apparently. Let's see how this one looks. You can see the fiberglass, like I vacuumed this whole thing and you can still see those bits everywhere. Nasty. This car is just an invisible sliver waiting to happen. It sucks.